Hey everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragments Recipes. Today I'm making in my kitchen kids special. This is very yummy recipe and kids love it, especially for school tiffin snack. So let's begin. So I've taken this 200 grams of paneer and I have grated them. I have taken 2 chopped onions, coriander leaves chopped. Now this is Thousand Island dressing. You can also take, instead of this, you can take garlic mayo or just plain mayo, and 1 green chili. Okay, so this is going to be a sandwich, paneer sandwich. You can grill it or eat it as cold without grilling. So let's begin. So I've taken a bowl and now first let's make our filling. Okay, so for that I'm going to first put my entire paneer in this big bowl, the grated paneer. Now to this I'm going to add my chopped onions. I've taken 2, but this is as per your wish. The taste of this onion and paneer really goes well, especially the onions are raw, they are just chopped, so I like to put it more. That you can put as per your taste. I've taken 2, you can take 1 if you want. Then we're going to put chopped coriander leaves over here, and I'm also going to put my chopped green chili. 1 green chili I've taken, so I'm going to put that. Now over here I'm going to do one thing. Normally we can put just mayo or Thousand Island dressing, but I'm also going to make a twist over here. This is my twist. It's completely optional. If you want, you can skip it. You can just put the dressing or any mayo. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of yogurt in this. Not 1, 2. Because I don't want my dressing to be just the dressing and make it an unhealthy sandwich. I want it a little bit healthy, little bit moist, little bit wet. So I have put 2 tablespoons of yogurt, dahi, and we are going to add this to the mixture, but before that we are going to add some salt. So sprinkle some salt as per your taste. Put some white pepper along with it as per your taste, and I'm also going to put some chaat masala, little bit as per your taste. And after this I am going to mix this dressing completely over here, and I'm going to make this filling ready for my bread. I'm going to put this into 2 slices, 2 to 4 slices, spread them, and we are going to grill them. But let's mix this first and see if we need any mayo or yogurt. You can put mayo and yogurt as per your taste. It should not be very wet also and not be very dry also. I'm going to put some more. So let's put. And also dahi, because the paneer is 200 grams. So the 2 tablespoons are less. Okay. So adjust this as per your wish. I'll tell you the consistency that I'm looking at over here. So we have put 4 tablespoons of yogurt now and 4 tablespoons of Thousand Island dressing. You can substitute the Thousand Island dressing with garlic mayo or plain. Yes, this is the consistency I want. You see how it is? It's become like a creamy mixture now. And let me taste the salt and everything, and we are good to go. Okay. It's fantastic. A little bit of salt is needed. So what happens is, because the onions are just chopped and they are not fried or anything, the mixture is very tasty. Try this in your house, you will love it. Quick recipe when you're hungry. Tiffin recipe for kids, because generally kids love tasty recipes. They don't want to eat boring food, and this will stay long. You can keep this mixture for 1 day, not more than that. And if you like, you can put 1 lemon juice also. That's optional, I don't put. So let's start plating it into our bread. Okay, so I have taken my 4 slices of bread. I've taken sandwich bread and I've cut the corners. You can take any bread, you can take whole wheat bread also. Now I'm going to brush some Amul butter over here. Because this is a Tiffin recipe and it's mainly for kids, be generous enough to put butter. But if you're conscious about your diet and all that stuff, put little less. Okay? Now on this, we are going to put our dressing. Let's put 1 tablespoon to begin with. Like this. And 1 tablespoon over here. You can take the big sandwich bread also, the triangle bread, whichever bread you want, you like, you can take that. If you want, you can even take bagels, plain bagels, French bread, anything. And now put this over the top. It's a paneer recipe, paneer sandwich, no cheese, so it's quite healthy. Now a little bit of dressing we have to put because it's mainly for the tiffin, so kids should eat the tiffin, otherwise they get it back. So now let's grill this, okay? You can eat like this also, cut it and eat it, but I'm going to grill it. So let's do it. Okay, so I've taken my tawa. It's a grill tawa pan and it's simple, nothing complicated. You can grill it in simple tawa also if you don't have this kind of a griddle. That's fine. Let's keep our sandwiches here on low flame. I'm going to brush some butter over here on the top and we're just going to grill it. No fancy equipments needed. And slow gas and just grill it till it's grilled from both the sides. Let me just turn it because I want to put the butter on the other side. The filling should not come out because we have not put too much of yogurt or mayo. It's medium consistency. It's not going to come out. And that's it. And then we are going to cut it and I'll show you. And trust me, it's a very tasty recipe. Let's grill it till it is cooked nicely from both the sides. Okay? Okay, so it's grilling, but I still want it to be more crunchy, so I'm going to grill it on slow flame for some more time till I get the complete crispiness in my bread. So let's grill this further. Gotta toast it properly, okay? Don't make the flame high. We don't want it burnt. So you can do this in microwave also if you want to, but I like to do it on my tawa. It gives the same toasted grill effect. So let's see. I think that it should be still done a bit. I like my grilled sandwich to be more crunchy. So let me just grill it some more time. Alright, I think it's up to my expectations. It's really nice. Now let me just turn it once more and then I'll just plate it, cut it and show you. It's all ready. Okay, let's just plate it. Okay, I've put it in my plate, but I want to cut and show you. Be careful, it's very hot. If you want, you can just wait for some time, but I like to cut it hot. And I also like to serve hot. You don't need any ketchup or chutney with this because it is very tasty by itself. Just make sure that the filling doesn't come out. And children will love this recipe in their tiffin and they'll finish it. It's healthy also, just paneer and a little bit mayo, no cheese, nothing. Protein sandwich. A little bit of fat is fine. So you see this, how it's looking? You see this? It's looking so nice, so yummy, so tasty. So do try this recipe in your kitchen and let me know if you like it. And I'll come back again with some new interesting recipe for you. Until next time, it's bye from Deepali. Subscribe to my channel and see you soon.